In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize plain text emails in HubSpot. Plain text emails are great when you want a message that feels personal, loads quickly, and avoids design distractions. They're especially effective for outreach, follow-ups, and announcements that should read like a one-to-one conversation. Start on your HubSpot dashboard. This is your home base, and it's where you'll access all your marketing tools. From the main navigation, click Marketing. This opens the marketing workspace so you can find the email tool and work with your existing messages. Next, click Email. You'll land on a list of your emails, including drafts and previously sent campaigns. Find the plain text email you want to customize and click Edit. If you have a lot of emails, use the search or filters to quickly locate the right one. Opening the editor brings you into a focused workspace where you can adjust everything that matters for a plain text message. Click directly on the content you want to edit. Start with the subject line and preview text to set clear expectations and encourage opens. Keep these concise and specific and avoid spammy language. Then move to the body. Because this is a plain text email, think conversationally. Use short paragraphs and simple line breaks to create good rhythm and make scanning easy. If you include links, paste clean, trustworthy URLs, or link relevant words so the call to action feels natural. A single clear ask, like booking a call or reading a post, usually performs best in plain text. If it suits your message, personalize it. Addressing the recipient by name and referencing relevant details can lift engagement. Keep it subtle and authentic. You can also refine your sender details and signature so the message feels consistent with your brand voice, while still sounding human. As you customize, watch your spacing and tone. Plain text makes every word count, so trim filler and keep sentences straightforward. Avoid images or buttons here. They're not part of true plain text, and rely instead on clarity and a strong link or reply request. If you need to include compliance details in the footer, keep them tidy and readable. When you're happy with the edits, give everything a final pass. Check the subject, scan the body, and confirm that links work and the call to action stands out. A quick preview or test send is a smart way to catch formatting quirks and make sure the message reads well on mobile. That's all it takes. From your dashboard into marketing, then email, open your message, click into the content, and customize it to fit your goals.